Don't you think it's really hard to describe yourself? I'm Courtney Khondabi, and I shop for a living. I'm a goofball. I laugh at my own jokes, but I don't know why you would make a joke if you didn't think it was funny. What do I love? Music, family. I'm obsessed with food, fashion, fun, magic. I don't practice magic. I meant more like magical. I still want to be a unicorn, I'm not gonna lie. Wouldn't that be so cool? I've learned things from fashion designers and from skincare creators who really are experts. I am an expert in some ways, and I'm still very much learning in a lot of other ways. There are things that I definitely don't know, and I will definitely say if I don't know. I give myself more to the world in what I wear and my jewelry and my outfits than I've ever done my whole life. That's felt really cool to really fully embrace who I am. We hold ourselves back. I want to break down that wall. You're not too old for that print. You're not too old for that silhouette. You only get one life. Be who you want to be, wear what you want to wear. Getting dressed in something you feel good about and you feel represents who you are can take you to feeling so great about yourself. Being able to give ideas, I can't tell you how happy that makes me feel because I know it makes you happy. So I hope this is a chance for us to just hang out. How cool is that?